ganyan yung tsura ng school mo? School ba yan?
Yeah.
And what is this?
That's the elevator room. Doesn't really have sense.
Elevator? May elevator bang ganyan na itsura?
This is going to be the best big school in the world.
Big school. Best, ha?
There's a lunchroom, Sears. There's a lunchroom. We didn't believe it. There's a lunchroom.
Ilang rooms yan?
100 of rooms.
Talaga?
Yeah.
How many classmates?
100 of classmates. Here.
100 classmates?
Yeah,
Napakadami naman 100 classmates.
duh. You can believe it. This is going to be...
Is it fun to have lots of classmates?
Yeah.
Ha? Ha, Ellie?
Yeah. Excited. I have a million thousand. But it is...
Ito, ano to? What is this?
That's the roof.
Roof?
Yeah. And the clock will be here.
Akala ko flag. I thought it is a flag like this.
The flag is looking like on a $1 million sign.
Ay, yawa. Ano, what?
This is will be.
Is that how your teacher speak? Talk?
No.
No? Where do you get your English? From movies? Yes. What kind of movies?
Disney Pluses.
Disney Plus? That's how they talk?
Yeah.
On Disney Plus?
Yes. This is will be I already have a study room and I still didn't have
Ito si tatay. Akit na si tatay mo dun.
Hey, no dad's there.
No, dads? Why?
Cause dad is already since
They're not allowed in school?
yeah. That's how children do. Dads just wait outside and wait for the children.
Parents, they wait outside. And the children, what do they do inside?
They just study all around.
They study? What do they study?
Something else.
Like
Books.
like reading the time? Do you know how to read the time?
No time's there.
And I mean the clock, the watch. Watch.
I'm making a lot of cures for all the grown-ups.
Like this?
No clocks allowed.
No clocks allowed in school.
Yep. Only at the roof.
Only on the roof.
Yeah. Oh, they said that the children. The other one will be downstairs.
Do you have good classmates?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Do you enjoy going to school?
Yes. Da! Okay.
Yeah.
I'm making all of these ones. So 100 classmates in there. There's 100 classmates. What are you doing?
I'm drawing a barrel.
Don't sit here. I'm gonna mistake. Hey, you didn't know my school.
Okay lang.
No else allowed.
Wala nang papasok sa school mo kasi may radioactive na ano.
They can still play inside. You can make bars if you want.
Tapos lagyan natin ng basketball court sa ibabaw, sa roof.
No basketball for the round.
Bawal?
Yeah.
Bakit?
No basketball around because school needs an important day.
Okay. Lagay na lang tayo ng astronaut.
No astronaut.
Di ka pa nakakita ng astronaut?
No astronauts allowed at school.
Hindi ka pa nakakita ng astronaut?
No.
Have you seen one?
No, don't you dare add some astronauts.
I'll put grass on the... See? Here.
That's wrong.
So you can get a janitor who will cut your grass.
No. I'm still going to at the playground.
Playground.
I'm still not adding it because I'm finishing the house of the school.
Why does this one doesn't have a window?
This is not a window. I'll add it right now.
Yan. Mainit kasi pag walang window. Yan din, oh. Kita mo. Sino ang kaninong rooms to?
This is one is the library, and this will be the drinking room.
A drinking room?
No, this is the bar. This is where the children had to go and the bathroom. This will be the bathroom.
The bathroom. Toilet?
This is for teachers, and this is for children.
Very good.
There's a flashing one over in the back, but I cannot add it on there. And this will be the party room.
Party room?
Yes.
Sino magpa-party? Babata nyo pa. Pwede na ba mag-party yung mga minors katulad mo?
Yeah, when there's a birthday.
When there's a birthday. Only when there's a birthday. When there's no birthday, no party.
No. There's confetti falling on it.
Isn't that sad?
Yeah, but a little bit. We're so happy.
Still happy.
There's confetti falling on it. Woo, woo, woo. Confetti. There's confetti.
Tapos dapat kung may confetti, dapat may fireworks. Lagyan pa natin dito. Kasi nag-opening yung school mo, di ba? Bagong bukas lang yung school mo.
Yeah, there's no studying. There's a party for the children.
Di ba pag party, maganda may fireworks?
Yeah, but only Christmas and
Parang
Chinese
Pasko, di ba?
New Year. Yeah, only Chinese New Year and Christmas.
Chinese New Year? Tsaka Christmas lang.
And party time. Woo!
Ay.
There's a lot of confetti growing in the ground.
Maglagay ka ng ng basurero.
Oh, forgot.
Oo, kasi kailangan mo pag may confetti tsaka may paputok, makalat, 'di ba? Maraming basura. So kailangan ng maglilinis. Maglagay ka ng maglilinis o kaya trash can.
This is where the basurahan had. The basurahan is here at the toilet.
Hindi ba dapat nasa ibaba? Para ihulog mo na lang yung basura?
I'll add plastic. This is where the plastic is.
Basta hindi plastic na na disposable Kailangan yung plastic na reusable. Tama? Marunong ka ba mag-recycle? Weh! Marunong ka na? No? Di ka tinuturuan ng tatay tsaka nanay mo? What bad parents? Very bad parents!
Hey, look. I just 20 plastic. for the teacher. They have 2 teachers, and there's need to be 3 children left. There's 3 plastic left. So this is can be this is will be the fireworks. All the fireworks. The fireworks box also should show the mouse. Because all the mouses, there's a lot of mouses here in the school because all other mouses ate all the fireworks again. Stuck, 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 stuck. Done.
Yan. Okay na?
Yeah.
O, pakita na natin kay Mami.